and welcome to Get Veganized. This is Chef Bugsy, and today I'm gonna make some cashew cheese from cashews. Okay, the first step is I added a cup of cashews to my bowl here, and I'm gonna cover them with some boiling water. Alrighty, now I'm gonna let this sit for 2 hours, and I'll come back and we will start the process. Okay. This is Chef Bugsy, and we're back with the cashew soaking in water. We're going to drain the water. And we're going to save the water for the rest of the recipe. Next, I'm going to take the cashews and put them into my Super Bullet blender here. There we go. And into the blender, I'm going to add my nutritional yeast, a quarter cup. A half cup of coconut oil, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And I'm going to put the water back in. Calls for 2 cups of water. There goes 1 cup. And 2. Now we throw it in the blender and mix it up. There we go. We'll check this out and see how it looks. Feels good. Have to test a little mealy, but I think it'll be fine. A little extra texture in the cheese is good for it. Alright, we're going to get this on the stove and I'll be right back. Okay, here we are pouring it into the pan on the stove. Going to heat this up. Until it thickens. Here we are. Constantly stirring. I think I'll add a little turmeric to it to give it a little yellow color. There we go. And stir that in. A little more turmeric. There, nicer. Look at that color. Alright, here we are off the stove. See, it's thick, nice and thick here. Nice and yellow. We're going to put it in this little ramekin here and chill it for a couple hours. Alrighty, there we go. And smooth it off here. Alrighty, and we'll come back in a couple hours. Okay, we're back. It's been 2 hours and the cheese is solid now, and I'm going to try and get it out and see what it looks like. Some wax paper down here, and here we go. Yeah, it looks like I'm going to have to cut the edges here. Alright, here we go. I'll just do it this way, maybe it'll make it easier. Yeah. Alrighty. And there it is, cashew cheese. Alright, this is Chef Bugsy for Get Veganized. and I'm gonna make some mac and cheese with this, and I'll show you the finished product. I have some macaroni boiling, and in a couple minutes I'll mix some up and let you guys see it. Okay, here we go. I have the macaroni here. I put some cheese in there, probably about a 1/4 cup, and I stirred it up a little bit, and I'm gonna add a little bit of almond milk to it, get it a better consistency. Probably about a 1/4 cup of that too. And there we go, stirring it right up. There it is. Maybe a little more cheese. I do like it cheesy. All right. Mix all that right up. And there we go. It's ready to serve. Let me put it in a bowl. Okay, I'm Chef Bugsy signing out, and this is the mac and cheese. Delicious. This is really, really good. So, if you like my video today, you can subscribe below, give me a thumbs up, and leave any comments. And if you want any kind of recipes, just write them in the comments and let me know, and I'll try and make them for you. All right. Until the next video, I'll see you later.